Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect wallet to MOBOX account on PC. MOBOX is a Web3 gaming platform that blends plays to earn games, NFTs and DeFi features into one ecosystem. It allows users to earn digital assets while playing games, participating in farming or trading NFTs. Unlike traditional gaming platform, MOBOX uses blockchain technology, which means your in-game items, tokens and rewards are stored on decentralized network rather than just one server. To access MOBOX, you do not create a typical username password account like other websites. Instead, your crypto wallet acts like your identity, connecting your digital asset and game progress securely. First, what you can do is, in order to connect your MOBOX account, on the top you can find this address bar. Simply type down mobox.io and enter it. And over here, once you reach into this interface of your MOBOX.io, in the top right corner we can find this connect here. You can select to this connect. Over here, you can either connect with the wallet by selecting to this connect to this wallet, and you will find this option of your MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, Binance wallet, or Token Pocket as well. Or you can simply sign in with your MOBOX over here on the bottom. And over here, simply type down your email address. And after that, select to this login. But if you have forgotten your password of your MOBOX account, you can select to this forget and you'll get to reset password as well. And after that, you'll simply connect your MOBOX account in your PC. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.